Yeah? Yeah, okay.
So this is like the simplest transition of the night. So I'm just gonna talk a lot. So me and Christian were rehearsing that song earlier today, and he asked me like how I get over being nervous, like perform like this. And I don't really know, but what I do is like I have a drive because everything I play, I do it for a reason, and I have a message of what I want to say. So it's November right now, and what we do is Find Me Alpha. We take part in the Movember Foundation, which is a foundation made, created, whatever, to raise awareness for men's health. And it started off as just like, I don't know, like prostate cancer or something, but it spread way more out to stuff like mental health. And this song, Using by Sorority Noise, like plenty of you have heard it before, you've even heard me sing it, but I don't know if you know the speech that goes along with it. So it was written by this guy, Cam Boucher, who graduated from the MPT program 2 years ago. And when he was a freshman here, he was diagnosed with, manic depression. So he makes a point when he plays this song to talk about mental illness and how, like, in today's society, sadness is so like romanticized. It makes it hard for people with a real problem to get the help they need and to talk about it. So he's just trying to get that awareness out there. And this is a song about getting over addiction and learning to live with depression. I started using again. Left my heart in Rocky Hill, burning in my bed. Needed a distraction from my head. Devil on my shoulders to try this instead. So I started using again. Started sleeping again. Trading late nights and cheap for Vicodin. Guilt burning in my chest set in. I started sleeping again. Stopped wishing I was dead. Learned to love myself before anyone else becomes more than just a burden. I know I'm more than worthy of your time. Started smoking again. Guess I miss coughing my lungs up every morning. Needed anything to keep me breathing, to prevent my blood from bleeding. Started smoking again. Started loving again. Though when I lost the will to live, I could never feel again. Give it one more shot and let someone in. Started loving again. I started loving again. I started loving again. I started loving again. Stopped wishing I was dead. Learned to love myself before anyone else becomes more than just a burden. I know I'm more than worth